हेलो फ्रेंड्स मु सीमा आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची आम चैनल अचीव योर गोल। वीडियो टी स्किप न करी प्रथम शेष पर्यटन देखिए। चलते स्टार्ट करवा। लेट्स बिगिन। रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट सबू टीचिंग एग्जाम पाई हेल्पफुल रहिबो। Formation of microspores from a pollen mother cell through meiosis is known as option A megasporogenesis, option B pollination, option C microsporogenesis, option D embryogenesis. The correct answer is option C microsporogenesis. Question number 2. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower of the same plant is called. जदि गोटे पोलेन ग्रेन अनादर फ्लावर स्टिग्मा उपर जाए रोचे तो आम कौन कहवा। ऑप्शन ए जेनोगामी, ऑप्शन बी जिटेनोगामी, ऑप्शन सी ऑटोगामी, ऑप्शन डी सिनगामी। सेटा को आम कहवा जिनोगामी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. रिमूवल ऑफ आंथर फ्रॉम फ्लावर बड बिफोर द आंथर डेhiscence for plant bleeding is known as. Option A emulsification, option B bagging, option C artificial hybridization, option D rebagging. तो सेटा को हमें कहबा emulsification. 4 number question. Inactive state of an embryo seed is. Option A apomixis, option B dormancy, option C polyembryonic, option D embryonic. The answer is dormancy. The inactive state of embryo is dormancy. Question number 5. Most resistant organic material of exine is. Option A funicle, option B scutellum, option C germpore, option D sporopollenin. The correct answer is sporopollenin. 6 number question. Flowers which do not open at all. Option A syncarpy, option B cleistogamy, option B apocarpous, option D chasmogamous. The answer is cleistogamous. Flower is not open at all. 7 number question. Cotyledon of a grass family situated towards one sided of embryonic axis is. Cotyledon of a grass family situated towards one sided of embryonic axis is. Option is scutellum, option B antipodal, option C epicotyle, option D pericarp. The answer is scutellum. Female gametophyte is. Option A pollen grain, option B ovule, option C embryo sac, option D tapetum. The female gametophyte is embryo sac. 9 number question. Residual persistent nucleus is. Option A pericarp, option B germpore, option C hilum, option D perispore. The residual persistent nucleus is perispore. 10 number question. Fusion of male and female gamete is called. The fusion of male and female gamete is called. Option A double fertilization, option B triple fusion, option C syngamy, option D artificial hybridization. The correct answer is option C syngamy. 11 number question. The nutrition of developing pollen grains is obtained from. Option A tapetum, option B exine, option C middle layer, option D none of the above. The answer is tapetum. Question number 12. In female reproductive structure ovule, how many megaspores are functional? In female reproductive structure ovule, how many megaspore is functional? So option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D all. The answer is option A 1. 30 number question. Apple is an example of. The apple is an example of option A true fruit, option B false fruit, option C parthenocarpy fruit, option D apomictic fruit. The answer is false fruit. 40 number question. The resistance material present in the outer layer of pollen grain are made of option A cellulose, option B pectin, option C sporopollen, option D amylose. The correct answer is sporopollen. 15 number question, which seed has a viability of 10,000 years? Option A Lipinus acticus, option B date palm, option C rice, option D Phoenix rectiflora. The correct answer is option A Lapinus acticus. 16 number question, microspore development occurs within. Option A microsporangium, option B endothecium, option C micropyle, option D nucellus. The correct answer is option A microsporangium. 17 number question, name a flower pollinated by bird. Option A agave, option B grass, option C Blaserelia, option D red silk cotton. The correct answer is option D red silk cotton. 18 number question, pollen grain are well preserved at fossil because of option A germ pores, option B sporopollen, option D cryopreservation, option D pectin. The correct answer is option B sporopollen. 19 number question, yucca plant is pollinated by. Yucca plant is pollinated by option A bird, option B water, option C moth, option D wind. The correct answer is option C moth. 20 number question, many insects may consume pollen without bringing out pollination. Such floral visitors are referred to as option A pollen inhibitors, option B pollen robbers, option C pollinators, option D none of the above. The correct answer is pollen robbers. 21 number question, which of the following statement is not true? Tapetum helps in the dehiscence of an anther. Option B exine of pollen grain made up of sporopollen. Option C pollen grain of many species causes allergy. Option D pollen grains are stored in liquid nitrogen. So which is not true? Option A tapetum help in dehiscence of anther. It is not a correct. Correct answer is that. 22 number question, an example for a plant that provides safe places to lay eggs as floral rivers for pollination is. The option A Viola, option B Armophallus, option C Maize, option D Vacillinaria. The correct answer is Armophallus. 23 number question, presence of more than one embryos in seed without fertilization is called. Option A somatic hybridization, option B budding, option C apomixis, option D polyembryonic. The correct answer is option D polyembryonic. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, the offspring produced by asexual reproduction are called clones. Option B, microspore motile asexual reproductive structure are called zoospores. Option C, in potato, ginger and banana, the new plantlets are arise from internodes of a modified stem. Option D, water hyacinth that drain oxygen from water leads to death of fishes. The correct answer is option C. Option C. 25 number question, which of the following generate a new generative variation? Option A vegetative propagation, option B sexual reproduction, option C parthenogenesis, option D polyembryonic. The correct answer is sexual reproduction. 26 number question, in majority of angiosperm is. Option A egg has filiform apparatus, option B egg has many antipodal cells, option C reproduction division occur in megaspore cells, a small central cell present in the embryo sac. The correct answer is option D, a small central cell is present in the embryo sac. 27 number question, The ovule of an angiosperm is technically called. Option A megasporangium, option B megasporophyll, option C megaspore mother cell, option D megaspore. The option A is the correct answer, megasporangium. 28 number question. Fertilization is executed by. Option A algae, option B fungi, option C angiosperm, option D gymnosperms. The correct answer is angiosperm. 29 number question. Coconut is a fruit. Coconut fruit is a. Option A berry, option B nut, option C capsule, option D drops. The correct answer is option B nut. 30 number question. Morphologically nature of edible part of coconut is. Option A option A cotyledon, option B endosperm, option C perisperm, option D pericarp. The correct answer is option A optogamy and glytonogamy. 32 number question. Attraction and rewards are recorded for pollination in. Option A entomophily, option B hydrophily, option C anemophily, option D cleistogamy. The correct answer is option A entomophily. 33 number question. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develop into. The correct answer is option A endosperm, or option B embryo, option C embryo sac, option D ovule. The option A endosperm. 34 number question. The coconut water from Nender coconut represents. Option A endosperm, option B free nuclear endosperm, option C free nuclear embryo, option D mesocarp. The answer is option B free nuclear endosperm. 35 number question. The proximal end of a filament of a stamen is attached to. Option A anther, option B placenta, option C thalamus, option D connective. The answer is option C thalamus. 36 number question. Pollination in water hyacinth and water lily is carried out by. Option A water, option B insects, option D bats, option D airs. The correct answer is option B insects. 37 number question. Name the plant that come to the surface of water to collect pollen grains. Option A Vacinia, option B water lily, option C lotus, option D hydrilla. The answer is option A Vacillaria. 38 number question. Corn cob tassels are made of. Option A anther, option B style, option B stigma, option B style and stigma, option C stipules, option D none of these above. The correct answer is option B style and stigma. 39 number question. How many nucleus are present in the mature female gametophyte? Option A 4, option B 7, option C 1, option D 8. So how many nucleus present in mature female gametophyte? Option D 8. 40 number question. An economically important process in which seedless fruit are formed without fertilization is by. Option A parthenocarpy, option B apomixis, option C emulsification, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B apomixis. 41 number question. Pollen grains are stored in. Option A formalin, option B water, option C liquid nitrogen, option D saline water. The correct answer is liquid nitrogen. 42 number question. The technique of preserving pollen grains is by. The technique of preserving pollen grain is by. Option A cryopreservation, option B hybridization, option C tissue culture, option D none of these. The answer is cryopreservation. 43 number question. Which among the following is not a false fruit? Option A cashew, option B strawberry, option C banana, option D apple. The correct answer is option C banana. 44 number. A genetic mechanism to prevent cell pollen from same flower or other flower of same plant is by which of the following outbreeding device in plant? Option A, anther and stigma placed different position. Option B, self incompatibility. Option C, production of unisexual flowers. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option B, self incompatibility. 45 number question. An example for non-albuminous seed is option A, wheat, option B, maize, option C, groundnut, option D, castor. The correct answer is option C, groundnut. 46 number question. Production of seed without fertilization is called. Production of seed without fertilization is called. Option A, parthenogenesis, option B, hybridization, option C, emulsification, option D, apomixis. The correct answer is apomixis. 37 number question. The filiform apparatus that guide the entry of pollen tube into the ovule present in option A, antipodal cells, option B, synergids, option C, stigma, option D, polar nuclei. The apparatus, filiform apparatus की option B, synergids. 48 number question. The removal of anther from female flower in artificial hybridization is called. Option A, bagging, option B, rebagging, option C, emulsification, option D, none of the above. The 48 number question is emulsification. 49. Name the type of pollination in which genetically different type of pollen grain of the same species land on the stigma. Option A, gynogamy, option B, geitonogamy, option C, autogamy, option D, parthenocarpy. The correct answer is option A, gynogamy. 50 number question. Name the type of tissue present in the fertilized ovule of an angiospermic plant that supplies food and nourishment to the developing embryo. Option A, tapetum, option B, endosperm, option C, sporogenous tissue, option D, synergids. The answer is option B, endosperm. Thank you friends. ये थिला आमर reproduction in flowering plant ro important 50 questions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel achieve your goal. जदि भिडियोटी भल लगे निहाती लाइक करेंगे शेयर करेंगे सांग मान सहित शेयर करेंगे सब्सक्राइब करने भूलें एमि जदि नुआ नुआ भिडियो दरकार ताले निहाती कमेंट करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.